In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer from your Earn wallet to your Spot wallet in Binance. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly move your assets around within Binance in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to Binance.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, make sure to use your credentials to access the main page. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, where you can see an overview of your account balance, recent transactions, and various features Binance has to offer. Now, direct your attention to the top menu of the page. You'll want to click on the option labeled as Wallet. Hover over this section and go down to select Earn. This area is where all your crypto investments under Binance's Earn service are held. It's slightly different from your Spot wallet, which is usually used for trading. Once you are in your Earn wallet, you'll need to identify the specific asset you'd like to transfer. It could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency you've invested in through Binance's Earn services. You'll typically see a list of your assets, along with their current balance and value. Look carefully at this list, and next to each asset, you'll notice a small button labeled Transfer. Go ahead and click this button for the asset you've chosen to move. Once you click Transfer, a pop-up will appear. Overview. Here you'll see two options, From and To. Make sure the From field is set to Earn Wallet and the To field is designated as Spot Wallet. This ensures you're moving your assets from the right place to the correct destination. Double-check these fields to avoid sending your funds to the wrong wallet. Now, you need to specify the amount you wish to transfer. If you're planning to move all your holdings for that particular asset, you can usually find an option to select the maximum amount. Otherwise, enter the specific quantity you'd like to transfer in the designated field. Double-check the amount to ensure that it's correct and that you're not leaving behind what you need to transfer. After you've entered the amount, it's time to complete the process by clicking the Confirm button. This final step authorizes the transfer, and in a few moments, you should see the transaction reflected in your Spot wallet. If you've enabled notifications, you might even get an alert confirming that your transfer was successful. And that's it. You've successfully transferred funds from your Earn wallet to your Spot wallet on Binance. Remember, transferring funds like this allows you more flexibility for trading and managing crypto assets. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to Binance's support for assistance. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.